Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Today I'm taking you to Las Vegas, Nevada to the Paper Bunny. This store, you can thank Mary for sending me there. She reminded me about shopping when I was on vacation, and she told me about a rubber stamp store, so then I started searching and I found this place. I didn't actually make it to the rubber stamp store, but if you had a little more time, there are 2 paper stores and the rubber stamp store, so you could check them all out. This one I loved. I did not make a video in the other store. I went to it. It was very crowded. It was scrapbooky. Honestly, it had a weird smell and I hadn't taken my Allegra. This store is fabulous. So here we are. We're at the Paper Bunny. I found products I hadn't seen in person. This is Graphic 45 dies. And some of these my friend Andrea has. I don't think we have this butterfly set right here. I was really looking at it and pondering it. And I was so impressed with this store. It was spacious, well-stocked. They were having a party for the owner's 2-year anniversary of owning it. They have a place in the back to work. It was super fun. It just had a good vibe. I hung out there so long. This video is 15 minutes long, and I did not see everything. Mr. Crafting and Relaxing got too hot and had to come inside. It was a really good store. It was a really good vibe. I could have hung out there a long time, but I had to get to Garth. We had a lot going on. This is the dog paper Graphic 45. I think I've showed you that before, and some Halloween. The store is set up a little bit like a scrapbook store where themes are together, but then some of it, I don't even know what's on that table up front. I don't think I looked at it really close. Some of that is set up by brand. Look at all the color selection and the paper. Just a beautiful store. Not much for you mixed media lovers, or at least I didn't see it. But the selection I'm going to show you and the other things is just so amazing that I think you'd be fine there. You would definitely find some good stuff. If you're near there, definitely check it out. Lots and lots of Doodlebug. This is a clearance section that was up front. I guess it's a certain percent, a very large percent off if memory serves me, but it wasn't marked. I'm sure the Minte papers up above weren't included, but they're just gorgeous, aren't they? There's a travel one, a lot of pink for me, but that light blue will suck me in. And then I started flipping through these bins because I didn't know exactly what they were. Then next to them was Dress My Craft sequins. And I don't recall seeing these in stores really before, so that was interesting to me. Cute little sequins. Quite a selection of them. Lots and lots. I was just curious about these bins, and then someone came and told me what they were. There's a couple of cute things in here. Like, look at that Christmas set for Graphic 45. And I know I don't need any holiday, but I just can't help it when I see it. Fortunately, I didn't see it. Then look at these. Crafting with My Nomies by Photoplay. Lots of blue in that collection, and not just paper crafting, there's sewing machine and different stuff. And then Wicker Lane is on the left, has a nice navy. Just really fun colors. A lot of pink for me, but the rest of you are probably loving it. It's fabulous, I'm sure. And I've clipped out some parts to try to make it so I don't make you sick, and I slowed some things down. They also have wood crafts in here, so you can buy these kits and put together a stump or a gnome. There's a lot of scrapbook albums. Then I'm going to show you some completed projects you can buy from them, because sometimes maybe you take a friend or you want to get a gift for somebody and you don't want to make it, and there are options. This whole wall is like Disney and princess and all kinds of good stuff. I didn't zoom in a lot just because there's so much to see in the store. If you want, don't forget you can change the speed on the video, or you can stop it and rewind and study if there's a wall that just speaks to you and you are horrified that I didn't stop. Then I was looking just different products. So this is Stamperia and Passion. and then the die cuts to go with it. But then they had these Minte papers, and it's just not a brand I'm as familiar with. I think, if memory serves me, that one might be Poland. I don't know for sure. And look at these words, and I looked at them and thought, oh, I probably don't need those. This one, had I been thinking, I would have bought, because it goes really well with that Prima collection that I have that's mint and black, and it would have been fun to bring some purple into that. I just didn't even think about it until I was editing the video and went, oh, that'd be fun. I'm not sure the mint is the same, but still, I could have made it work. Just look at this, miles and miles of pretty stuff. Okay, if you know me, you know this came home with me. You don't even have to, I didn't even put it in at the end of the video, because Blue Stamps, Blue Butterfly came home with me. It's Capri by Frank Garcia. It's a Prima line chipboard. I don't know this line, but those two blue stamps and the Blue Butterfly, it had to come home with me. So we're studying that for a minute, thinking, how much space do we have, right? We have to pace ourselves. I just like the florals. I'm really into the florals. I'm not really done with spring yet, I don't think. And the gold accents, just gorgeous. I don't think I know that paper line. I don't think I have anything to go with it, but it goes with everything. Then just kind of scanning that and saying, are we going to buy any of those flowers? We probably have those flowers. And again, here's a bunch more of those kits that they have, the wood ones that you can decorate. This wall it was kind of amazing. Like, I had not seen this selection of St. Patty's Day and Valentine's Day and just all of the stuff grouped together in scrapbooking. And also sometimes when you do have it, like at Whimsy's in Beaverton, Oregon, you get really nice selection, but it's pretty crowded in there. So to be able to move around and film like this, I was in awe. Okay, then we get into the simple stories. What is this line called? I always get the name wrong. Cottage Fields or Cottage Gardens. You guys know. And I'm looking at it thinking, what do I already have? Look, that pink sheet right there that says Joy and Pink and Dreamer. I don't know if I had that, but I should have bought that for sure. Even if I do have it, I probably needed another one. This stamp set caught my eye too. It goes with it. Simple Vintage Cottage Fields. There you go. But I like the stamp set. I didn't pick up any of that, but when I saw that sticker sheet in the video when I was editing, I thought, oh, I should have gotten that. Cutters, all sorts of stuff. Here is a made in the US stamp brand that I don't think I'm familiar with. Maybe you guys are. Darcy's Heart and Home. Made in the US, and I'll show you the website in a minute. Really some cute stuff. I liked this product line, and I don't think I've seen it near me. So it's from Cleveland, and there's the website, darcysheartandhome.com. And look at that toilet paper one that says just roll with it. That's cute. Didn't even see it till I was editing the video. See what I did for you guys? I made a video. It cuts into my shopping, but sometimes I'm just moving the camera around and looking at other stuff. The fish I thought was cute just because I'm always looking for like masculine or different things. Be honest, you have lots of cute flowers in your stash. There were dies from that company down on the bottom. Miles and miles of art glitter glue, which is probably tricky if you live in Vegas. Maybe sometimes it's too hot, too cold to ship. We're back to that wall that was St. Patty's Day, Valentine's Day, bunch of Halloween. Just really nicely arranged, amazing selection. I didn't pan the camera down all the stacks. I mean, I would have missed Garth. We had things to do this day, right? Look at this photo play North Pole, really cute. And then those Whimsy stamps up there. So many great product lines. I was just in awe from the moment that I stepped inside. You never know when you're traveling. And the store owner, Cindy, was delightful. I'll show you her contact information at the end. This is on like the south end of Vegas. So if you're going to an event at their fancy new stadium, big Raiders fan, you should be able to hit this store. We were staying on the south side. If you were staying at the south end of the strip and you had a car, I think it's maybe 5 miles. You can go. It was definitely worth it. Okay, look at this. It's a black and white baby collection. It's called Little One, photo play by Becky Moore. Maybe you've seen it. I didn't know. But that would be really cute with black and white photos, wouldn't it? Or like pink accents or yellow accents. Look at all this. So much baby stuff. My brain was trying to take it all in. And then I started scanning, and we're getting into like a birthday section, and I thought, ooh, that's kind of a neat birthday set. Has a lot of navy, and I do like simple stories. I think I am drawn to their products a lot too. And then look what's in my hand. Carta Bella, this birthday collection. Funny thing, Mary gave me a magazine. Mary is one of my new subscribers that made that card. She gave me a magazine, and I read it on the plane to Vegas and thought, how do I not know about this Carta Bella birthday collection? I bought that too because I decided on the plane that I needed it. Dies, there's lots of dies on different rounds. Ribbon. The Doodlebug selection is just, wow. Are they making it down the street? Is it made in Vegas? I don't know. There was so much. Stickles and some different glitters and stuff. So a little bit for, if you just wanted to get messy, mixed media-ish. Look at all this cute Doodlebug stuff. These shape sprinkles. I maybe should have bought those too, right? So much good stuff. Look at all those dies. You lawn fawn lovers. Oh my gosh, we would have had to drag you out of there. Then I'm just wandering around, right? There's so much good stuff. I don't even know what to look at and take it all in. I circled back and went to my right, and this is their rounder with like the brand new lawn fawn stuff in it. And then I went around the corner and there's more Doodlebug. Really cute. Doodlebug's been around a long time, so I do know a lot of their products, but look at those stamps. If you color, those would be adorable. Get out your Copics and go crazy. Little kits and all sorts of fancy embellishments. I'm not going to buy any Brads. No, resist the urge. But the shape sprinkles and the doodle pops, really cute. There's a whole wall of those I'm going to show you in a minute. Even the spiders are cute. I like that baking line, and it's all punny and stuff, but I'm not going to cook. That's just not going to happen. Okay, look at these. I have not been anywhere with this level of selection of these Doodle Pops things. Red, white, and blue, and pizza, and apples, and Santa, and pigs, and typewriters, and lions for baby cards, and frogs, and a baseball one, and stop the phone. We have red and blue flowers. My gosh. And then the cute little airplane. And the hello is cute. And then the flowers on the pocket. I didn't buy any of these. I don't know why. I think I was just so busy looking at them. I just got so excited. Okay, then we totally went around the corner to a different section I hadn't showed you yet. And kind of missed a beat on it. I'm not sure what I was doing. But it's just more. It's more and more. Some sports and some baby stuff. I'm not exactly sure what the theme is here. Lots of sports stuff. Then the reason I'm showing you like down on the floor is this is what I was talking about. I'll show you more of those in a minute, but completed projects. Look at this. If you're going to camp, you definitely need this paper. So cute. Let's Go Anywhere by Lori Whitlock. So that'd be an Echo Park product. And again, this is like a whole travel section, right? So you have your trees and all sorts of things. I really, really looked at that paper and thought, I need that. And then I thought, what, like I'm going to camp? And I have so much travel paper. I need to make about half a dozen travel journals, and then I can buy more travel paper. So look at these. $65, a completed project. $29, a completed project. You don't see a lot of those in stores. Look at those dies right there. I should have bought those. Travel, adventure, those were cute. These are so much pink, but oh my gosh, are these not darling? I didn't buy them, but had there been light blue ones next to them, I would have bought the whole peg. Really, really a nice line. Just gorgeous. Prima just does such a wonderful job on their florals. I just get so excited. Again, probably Frank Garcia, I'm sure it was. Dog stuff. Okay, then I went back to the Minte papers at the beginning because I just really wanted to look at this country fair one. And I was comparing it to the Simple Stories, Cottage Fields, whatever it was, thinking, okay, I have a bunch of that. The country fair is adorable and I would buy it, but I already have other stuff. There's Cindy's information. Check out this store if you get a chance. It is fabulous. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.